Hello, hi guys, Diamond Crypto here. Welcome to another market update. In this video, we're gonna go through the market and see how we're looking today. Go through some of the big news in the market, in the crypto space, and also look at the proposal which recently ended as the Terra proposal, and look at the distribution. So jumping right through the market, we can see Bitcoin has dipped below 30k again. So yeah, still hovering between the 29-30k support level. Ethereum has also dipped below 2k. We have Cardano trading around 51 cents. Solana dropped below the $50 mark, and then yeah, a few of the other altcoins all basically following the Bitcoin movement as it is. If you look at the fear and greed index, you can see we're still in extreme fear. Yeah, last month we were in fear, and then we need to bump all the way to 20 or 27 to go out of extreme fear, but we're still pretty much in extreme fear, point being at 12 right now. So jumping right into some of the bigger news in the crypto space right now. So JP Morgan, one of the top 4 leading banks in the US right now, has recently ranked Bitcoin higher than real estate in its preferred asset alternative class. So yeah, JP Morgan, the investment bank, so it says that Bitcoin has a significant upside from here, and it could rise all the way up to 38,000. So with Bitcoin currently trading at 29,000, that's basically a 28 to 29% bullishness in terms of the potential as they see it being. So the investment bank strategist led by Nicolaos said on Wednesday that they believe that Bitcoin has an upside potential given its recent fall. So they maintain that they currently see Bitcoin at or above 38,000, and they consider it very undervalued at the current price of 29k. So basically being extremely bullish, seeing a potential jump of 28 to 29% from its current price of 29k. So they also mentioned that they see the events of the past month as mere capitulation periods, particularly the events of January and February, and they only see an upside from where it is right now. So basically saying that they consider the supports at 29 and 30k being the lowest for Bitcoin right now, and they see a potential spike upside of Bitcoin going all the way to 38k. So basically they're also considering other assets in terms of hedge funds, forex also being on this list, and other digital assets. But considering the entire mortgage rates saw an inflation rate spike, they consider Bitcoin being the one with the most upward potential, probably in the short term. So the bank has previously made efforts to get more involved in the crypto industry since last year, particularly when he gave access to its wealth management clients. He gave them access to 6 crypto funds, which included Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. It also announced in February this year that it had plans to make strategic investments in TRM Labs, which is a blockchain analysis firm. And yeah, earlier that month, TRM Labs had unveiled their launch in the Decentraland blockchain world. Yeah, following the hype of the metaverse and amid the whole scenario of Facebook renaming itself to Meta, and yeah, also following most of the other hypes like that of Axie Infinity and the rest. Yeah, the bank also said in a crypto report at the time that Metaverse has a market opportunity of up to $1 trillion in yearly revenue, as it sees creators increasingly turning into Web3 technology to monetize their work. So this investment comes in despite CEO Jamie Dimon's long history of being a crypto critic. Yeah, so Dimon has literally been a major critic to Bitcoin. I mean, he literally called Bitcoin a fraud in 2017, and last year in October he referred to it as being worthless. Moving towards the proposal, we can see that the proposal ended a couple of hours ago, and then yeah, with the yeses having it for 65%, and yeah, So basically, we're going to see the creation of the new chain. According to reports, the chain is already been created, is in testnet, but it'll go live on Friday. So the post snapshot is waiting to happen 26th, 27th of, basically 27th of May. The post snapshot will be taken for the post UST and Luna holders. But yeah, definitely. So the proposal has passed, and obviously the burn is not going to happen. We'll be having a chain, the new Terra 2.0 being created instead. So yeah, so basically investors with over 10,000 Luna tokens before the explosion will receive a new token periodically, to basically almost a one-to-one at this point, a one-to-one pair. So basically to prevent any selling off, over 30% of their tokens will be unlocked initially, and the remaining 70% will be released over 2 years. Basically, if you hold a million Luna or UST, it's going to take you probably over a year before you start receiving, to be more than a year before you start receiving any tokens, and you have to there'll be a vesting period of 4 years in terms of trying to avoid any sell-off and pressure in terms of so looking at who gets what, according to the validator, the Terra 2.1 native asset will get Luna, the old token will be classic, and 4 groups will be eligible for airdrops. So basically, like we said, and 10% is going to developers, and 35% for pre Luna holders, 10% for those held amid this entire crisis without selling. So they're gonna have 10% additionally to them, yeah. And then we have 10% for post Luna holders and UST holders as well. So pre-attack holders will get an airdrop very close to 1-to-1, while those that bought the token after the collapse will get 1 to basically 0.00015. Luna is going to be trading at 0.00116. UST holders even get the worst end of the deal, because before it dumped from its peg, they'll be getting just 1.0 1 to 0.033, and those buying it after will get 1.0013. UST is currently at 0.067. So basically, for every 10,000 Luna you hold, you will get a 0.01 if you are a post Luna holder, because obviously the token did bottom out at below a penny. So yeah, in an attempt to be fair to the pre-holders, and basically this was what was decided upon. Looking at the current price of Luna, we can see that it did get all the way up to 0.0002, but it seems still dropped all the way back to this. So not a potential up spike to it. I mean, obviously it still gets dragged down by the whole movement of Bitcoin. I'm excited to see how this whole plays out, but no positive impact yet on the price. Yeah, but that's the news for today, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. What do you think about JP Morgan's ambitious upside bullishness on Bitcoin's price? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Also, what do you think in terms of the chain, the new chain that's going to be created? What do you think of it? And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.